Hello and welcome to another awesome demo video of RITA by Resolve. And in today's example, we're going to be looking at a pretty common request type. Somebody saying, hey, I need to add so-and-so or remove so-and-so to or from a distribution list, an email distribution list. There's all sorts of reasons this might happen, right? A new employee is onboarded or off-boarded. Maybe a new distribution list is created for a specific project and you need to add one or more users to that list. In any event, this is the type of thing that a human being should never have to touch. It should all be automated away with RITA, and today I'm going to show you how. So, I've got my RITA chat client up here, today through Microsoft Teams, but it could be through Slack or even a web application that could be embedded anywhere you'd like. And behind it is the Resolve Actions platform, the live dashboard where we can see certain high-level KPIs, metrics, as well as a live running snapshot of the system. And here today I'm going to ask RITA, I need to add someone to a DL. So now through NLU and NLP, RITA is going to figure out what it is that we're requesting and determine, is this something we have an automated procedure for? In this case it is. So let's add someone to an email distribution list, she says. Please enter the user's full email address. How about Mr. Joe Doyle, a beloved colleague? Our next step is going to be the full name of the distribution list. How about we add him to marketing updates? Simple as that. Behind the scenes, integrations with things like Exchange or Office 365 or even G Suite are handling all of the busy lifting. Or the heavy lifting, rather. Get busy lifting. So in this case, she's going to let us know she can help with something else if we'd like. So just like adding a user to a DL, you should be able to remove them just as easily, and yes, we can. I need to remove a user from a DL. We'll take Mr. Doyle out of marketing updates and spare him, all of that extra fluff inside his inbox. So again, Mr. Joe Doyle. And at this point, we could even have RITA configured to give us a list of all distribution lists to which that person belongs, and we could actually pick and choose which to remove if we'd like. Same thing could have happened when we add, right? We could have a list of all available DLs there. Somebody could select the distribution list and go from there. So in this case, just like before, we'll use marketing updates, like I said. Spare his inbox a bit. He's a busy guy. And boom, just like that, it's done. He's been removed. So to peel back the layers a bit and peek behind the curtain, here's the Resolve Actions platform. RITA and Actions coming together for a cohesive, beautiful end-to-end solution. You can think of RITA as the brains and Actions here as the muscle. And using a totally low-code, no-code, or even bring-your-own-code, as I like to say, workflow designer, all you need to do is stitch together these activities, pre-built integrations, things like this, Office, add a user to group. As simple as filling in 3 basic input fields. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't even need scripting experience, just knowledge of the process. And using our thousands and thousands of these pre-built activities, you can bring to life any workflow that you can imagine. Thank you for watching.